Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our Tajweed class. Today we are going to learn one of the most important Tajweed rules, Idgham, which means merging. By the end of this lesson, you will know what is the meaning of Idgham and when Idgham happens, which letters cause it, and how to apply it correctly while reciting the whole Quran. So let's begin. To know what the meaning of Idgham, we have four things to know. The first, know meaning, letters, condition, articulation. The meaning is insertion, fusion. This is insertion or fusion. What is the letters? The letters exist in one word is yarmalun. And what is meaning of this? This is al-ya, wa-ra, al-lam, wal-waw, and the noon. Okay, we have 6 letters. Ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. And these 6 letters exist in one word is yarmilun. Okay, so what is the condition of the idgham? The condition is noon without any vowel or tanween plus 6 letters of idgham. What is this? What is that? This is, we have nun sakina or tanween. And after nun sakina or tanween exist 6 letters. As we know, we take before what is the meaning of tanween, what is the meaning of nun sakina, okay? And after these 6 letters, this ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon, okay? How to articulate? What is the articulation? The articulation is we will skip noon or tanween. Jump from letter before noon or tanween to letter after them with shadda rule. Okay, so let's see the example and understand. Okay, here exist notes before we see the examples. The note says Idgham occurs only when the noon sakina or tanween is at the end of one word and is followed by an Idgham letter at the beginning of the next word. If a noon sakina and Idgham letter occur in the same word like that, noon sakina exists and exists one letter of the letters of the Idgham. If exists like this, it's not Idgham rule. It's not. It will be absolute إظهار, complete clarity. قاعدة الإظهار أو حكم الإظهار. Okay? Like صنوان, قنوان, الدنيا, بنيان. Exist here in the word صنوان, exist here nun sakina, and after that exists waw. So, waw here, this is the letter of the idgham. So, what is the point here? The point here is sunwan and kunwan and the dunya, bunyan. All of them exist nun sakina and the letter of idgham in one word, and this is not idgham. The idgham rules say we have exist nun sakina in a word and the letter of the idgham in another word. Like what? Like here. من يعمل من نعمة من مال موال. من يعمل. How to say this in Tajweed? Like we have taken now what idgham rule. Exist here nun sakina and the letter of idgham. We will say من يعمل من يعمل. We cancel the noon and we take the letter mim and the letter ya in one. We make it like idgham. Like what we say, Idgham is insertion. We did insertion here with noon and ya, and we said may يعمل, may يعمل. Like we didn't pronounce the letter noon. We skipped the letter noon. Okay? See? من نعمة, من نعمة. Okay? من مال, من مال. We skipped the letter noon. We skip here also the letter noon, and we said من نعمة. And exist here من نعمة. Exist here what? Insertion. Yeah, exactly. Okay. So in the another example, and the last example is من وال, موال. So what's the meaning of Idgham rule? The Idgham rule, as we taken before, this is insertion, fusion, noon second exist, or tanween. After that, we have two words. After that, the first word exists noon second or tanween, and after that exists the first of the letters of Idgham. And this is exist in one word, يرملون, or the 6 letters يا را ميم لام واو نون. So this is our lesson today, and we finish our today, alhamdulillah. So I hope we understand what we explained. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.